Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to share my first Fendi bag, so let's get started. So here's the receipt. There. Paper bag, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a magnetic box. The ribbon, and they also have a wrapping paper. So here's the dust bag. And to reveal, here's my bag. This is my first Fendi bag. It is the Fendi logo camera bag in a small size. This is in coated canvas, and this one is calfskin leather. So it has a top zipper closure. When you open this, this is how the inside looks like. It has a black fabric interior. Here's the card. So there's a small pocket inside here, and a tag that says made in Italy. There's also another tag here. This is how the back looks like, and the bottom, the side. Okay, this strap looks like this. It has this Fendi logo, which is I really like, and this is adjustable and detachable. So let's attach the strap. Yeah, I like it. Let's see what we can fit inside this bag. This is what I carry every day. So this is my mini pochette, which is my makeup bag. I have my compact powder, 2 lipsticks, and mints. And my wallet, key holder, and pretend this is my cell phone because I'm using it right now. I have the iPhone XS. See, there's still a lot of space inside. You can also fit a long wallet. There. Yeah, I really like this bag, and this is good for everyday bag. For the dimension of the bag, the length is 8 inches, the height is 6 inches, and the depth is 3 inches. Let's check how it looks on me. So, shoulder bag, crossbody, I really like this logo here on the strap. For reference, I'm 5'4". And you can also carry this as a clutch. You just have to remove the strap. I really like that the strap is wide because it doesn't dig into my shoulder. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!